Hi there, I'm Tom Monroe, the Home Inspector. I'm on another inspection of a $5.6 million home in Vancouver, British Columbia, and one of the most expensive neighborhoods we have. It's brand new. And let me show you a detail that I found, and if I didn't find it, it could have cost my client tens of thousands of dollars in the future in water damage. Let me show you. So you'd think for $5.6 million you'd have a home that's built absolutely perfectly. Remind you, this home is brand new, it's never been lived in. There's a metal flashing detail that kicks the water out here, but at the top of that flashing, the flashing is to be connected in behind this building envelope surface. Now, water could easily come down the surface and in behind into that crack right there. And from there, it's gonna go behind the building envelope, because you can see it's totally sealed all the way down. It's gonna get into the structure and possibly cause serious damage to the home. Now, this flashing detail actually runs all the way around the whole home like this. So any moisture that's going to run down the surface of the building envelope from wind-driven rain, it's going to pound in there because the soffit is so small. It's going to come down the building envelope behind the flashing, and it's going to damage the structure of the home. So just because the home was worth $5.6 million, brand new and built in one of the nicest neighborhoods in all of Vancouver, I never assume it's been built properly. I get up on my ladder and check every single flashing detail, the roof, and all those connections, making sure we're driving water away from that home. If I didn't find this defect, it could have cost my client tens of thousands of dollars and probably wouldn't have shown up for probably 5 or 6 years, but it would have caused serious damage to the structure, devaluing my client's home, and ultimately costing them a lot of money. If you have any home-related questions you'd like me to discuss, leave them in the comments below and let's figure them out. I post videos weekly. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Tom Monroe, the Home Inspector.